Hi guys. So I was talking about that perception. So instead of speaking that same blammery, let me just show you something. So in my profile of TradingView, go there and type McDowell. So I'll be showing you the last three trades. Now see, this is a resistance. Okay. And although I have plotted like this, I was actually seeing this in a tilted way. So I was seeing this candle and I was thinking that this is a rejection. So in the past time when it rejected like that, usually it came down. Okay, so based on that, I thought that it will come down because this is a resistance, and if you draw a line like this, it is also a resistance. So I thought it will come like this. Let's see what happened next. It actually came down a bit, then it touched our stop loss, then it went up like anything. Okay, so our stop loss is hit, but you can see that it waited and thought for a long time, like it is a good consolidating period for like a month, and then it broke out. So you can easily catch the breakout part because when it is consolidating here, it means that this is not a good reaction level. So, anyways, leave that. Our short has hit its stop loss, right? Otherwise, I usually move my stop loss to the selling point. But in this case, I don't think that I did it that time. So, anyways, let's see the next trade. So, this is the stop loss hit. Okay, let me see. So, I'll update this. This is stop wrist. So I do not have time to do these things in TradingView, but I'm just showing you. So what I actually did in my real life, that it was in the month end when I posted this trade, which is like June 24. I hedged it with something and then I didn't carry it forward in the next contract. So anyways, leave it. What you need to know is that is stop loss it. Now this is a trade which I posted when I was making the course on Udemy. If you go there, let me just check. Udemy.com place Amit Ghosh. I think it will come. I made a good course on flag chat pattern. I think it is free right now. This one. Just go through that course. You will see that this example is made during when I was making that course. So, anyways, so this is the target. You can actually see this was actually accidentally was a good trade. So this is not actually hit if you see it like in a very thoroughly, but if you do the trade in the futures, it is actually hit because you can short some stock in equities in Indian share market. You have to do in the derivatives. So in the derivatives, the target has been hit that time. It actually broke 500 also. So once it broke, it took a support there and it went up. So that's some other issue, but I am showing you that this actually happened. It came down, it retested, and it again came down, again retested, then it properly hit there and made a bottom. You can see the bottom is made by three support points and it broke upside. So this is a good trade, and this is something we can tell target street. Okay, now the next trade. This is a very basic trade. I was expecting it will move like that and went up. And also you can see that this is a line. This is actually consolidating phase. You can also go to 440 and 720, like it doesn't care about anything like that. Okay, but this is the point we do the leverage trade. So let's see what happens. It actually came down here and took a support here and it went up. Now see the buy, if it breaks, so it did not trigger the buy, correct? So I was thinking that it was a bet on the budget trade. So my bet went wrong. But see, my bet did not went wrong because my bet did not triggered at all. Now what happens? My bet is triggered here. So this is a firm date which is still going on right now. Okay, because it went up, I did a TSL here, it went up, I did a TSL here, it went up, I did a TSL here, and it is still running. And right now my TSL will be at this level. This was a resistance which is acting right now as a support. Okay, so this buy, if it breaks, if it does not break, does not trigger a buy, and it triggers a buy even after some distant point it triggers. So you can see the momentum came when this line is broken after in the future. Say doji happened and it went up like anything. So this is something which is running out. Now some guy is telling fake breakout, but the breakout did not happen that time. Anyways, so that's the guy, right? So anyways, do not buy anything which is not triggered at the same point. But my bad habit is that when I post something, I just buy it and I wait. So I usually bought here and I just waited and watched the entire thing and still watching the entire thing going up. So anyway, that's it. And this is something which is still running right now, and I am also still running. So that's why I'm not posting any trades on the United Spirits, because I am bullish in all kind of speed stocks. You already know that if you follow my channel. So that's it. I made a video after a very long time because I had a daughter. So anyways, thank you for watching this, and sorry if the video sounds too much boring. Also, you can explore the further stuff. This is a small time frame, so anything can basically happen here. Okay, you can see what happens. This is smaller time frame trades, which is nowhere, no stop loss. Let me just show you. So this is basically assumption that it is falling like anything, and it tried to break up. So this is a point where every guy who has shorted will keep their stop loss. So it is basically usage of the reverse psychology. I will not keep for that long. So in the intraday, you can see that it went up like this. Okay, it's a pretty good trade, and you can go on and go on. Why did I did a straddle that time? If I did a straddle, then this is August, so we shall be seeing till this point. See, it was consolidating till the August end. So you can see that why I am doing that, why I'm doing this. So this is still triggered sell. So anyways, that's it. You can just go there and check all my trades like that. If you don't understand anything, if you have confusion in any trade, just ask me.